Introducing the 2020 Dodge Challenger. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Dodge Challenger, the monstrously powerful, unapologetically comfortable, driver-focused muscle car that positions you to lead the pack. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get into a muscle car that knows both rage and refinement. The Challenger awaits.